Hey guys, welcome to a new video on my channel. Today, as you can see, we have perfect weather for a photography POV vlog. And yeah, I'm gonna go for some landscape, and as you can see here, for such a running lines shot. So no car is coming, so it's perfect. Really happy to be back now. After 2 busy weeks in school, finally some. Oh, okay. Then we have some cars. Oh, then let's look here. And here's another coming car. Let's come back here. So here we are. Oh, that first line is not really straight, okay. Perfect. Good. Nah, up there it's not that good. So this is the shot which I wanted definitely to make today. And now let's go for some landscape. And I don't know, maybe we can find something good. I cannot tell you how much I miss this sound. I hope you can hear it on the camera. I cannot buy the medium mode for the GoPro, so maybe in a few weeks you'll get the best audio entertainment finally. But I have problems with the GoPro Plus subscription, so I won't buy it in with the full price if I can get it with the half price. So yeah. All a question of patience. I think I got that car on the photo. Let's have a look. You will see it already, but maybe yeah, no, but too far away. You know, a picture I really would like to get is, you see those trees? There are many trees with much snow on it, so I hope I can show it you in the next few minutes. But with such awesome conditions, I think positive that I will get it. Whoop. Yeah, look, with snow everything looks prettier, and you get and everything is slipperier. Is that the English word? slipperier. I don't know, but it's more slippery. Okay. Today again I have the Lumix G7 with me and currently recording with the GoPro Hero online, but I hope that the profile this time looks good, as I already failed one vlog with the settings, so I decided to not upload it as I was not happy with the outcome. Good. Maybe. Oh, and again in the shoe. Oh. So I have a look. I think I will repeat myself 100 times in this video, but you know, I've been in the lense stress for 2 full weeks with not really any sports or outdoor activities, and this drags me super down, honestly. So now in the winter holidays, still some stuff to do, but not with so much stress than the latest 2 weeks. Okay. Oh, now it starts snowing again. I hope you can see it good on the camera, so I can give you some Austria feelings in case you are, I don't know, in Australia or somewhere. Because 20% of my watchers are from America. I don't know if you have so much snow over there. Oh. Looks like we found a house, vitalizing, how is it called? Where water comes down. I know the German words, but not in English. Cool. I think I found another good point. Without falling down, hopefully. Okay, not that good as I hoped, but this looks kinda nice. Oh no, this. Oh, it's get dragged down because of the snow. Let's help him. And there we go. This looks cool. Have a look. Oh, now you won't see it because you touched there. But now you see it. Okay, so I will now go this way. In, I don't know, about 5-10 minutes walking time, I will be at the field where I can get the landscape shots. So I don't know, I will have the timestamps in the video so you can see what is happening when, so enjoy it. So I will try now with Hypersmooth, as I noticed now that I have not activated Hypersmooth. So I hope you could watch the footage. So now the footage should be super stable, hopefully. Oh, have a look at this. And again, snow in the shoes. I'm always taking the same pictures now, so I will try to get way more far away here. But I hope for the landscape at the field, so I don't want to make it too boring for you. So here you can see those stones which I talked before. These are some pretty massive things here, and in my area, so here in Upper Austria, in the upper part of Austria, in Upper Austria, in the upper part of Upper Austria. So I hope you know what I mean. So we are here on top, or on the upper top of Austria, and here we have plenty of such stone things, and they're everywhere. But I will not climb on one here, as the risk is too high that I fall down, and we have since today a new hard lockdown, so I don't really want to get hurt, but I'm allowed to get out here, in case you're asking yourself, as I'm doing a activity out here, and I'm, how is it called? I'm revitalizing in the nature. So this is allowed, and yeah. No, I won't get up there. Winterwonderland. So I have plenty more of such vlogs in the making, so I want to do them. But I think maybe next week another one, if I have time. I'm definitely gonna try a new one in a different location again. And yeah, I need pictures for my Instagram account, and I also want to make some stock photography. So next year, so in like 6 days somewhere, I will try to make a stock photography account, and maybe let's look what I can get if I can get something. So maybe it's worth a try, I think. Better try and fail than do not try and regret it afterwards. So always try it. Ah, plenty of snow in the neck. Ah, come on. That's not what I need. Oh, okay. Quite refreshing now. Oh god. Okay, down there. Might be a good idea. Oh, not a good idea. Whew. Yo, have a look at this. Can you see the snowflakes here? They are pretty shaped like a snowflake. I hope you see it. Or maybe here. Super cool. This is not really what I wanted. I didn't thought that the woods are so far away. Okay. So I think I will come now to an end of this photography vlog. So I hope I could show you some awesome pictures, and also that the footage, so the camera footage of the GoPro is now okay, hopefully. I'm really thankful if you have watched until here, and yeah, thanks for watching, and I wish you a Merry Christmas and also some good Christmas holidays. So I hope you have a great day with your loved ones, and bye.